great. So can you speak a little bit more about just what that involves?
Yeah, so data centers currently consume between 2 and 4% of our country's electricity supply. And in the future, that is projected to grow by something like 10x. So we're looking down the barrel of needing to spend 20–30% of our entire energy supply, electricity supply, on powering data centers. Now, in the energy transition, that is plainly not a sustainable thing to do. There are so many more people who, so many other sectors who want those electrons, whether that's the electrification of heat or transport or any other sectors. So the principle that we've developed is that we only use the electrons and then pass them through. So the idea is that you use the laws of thermodynamics to take the heat that the computers are generating, use the computers to do what they're meant to be doing in a data center, and then pass that heat on to somebody who can use it downstream. That's actually been something that's been relatively well understood for many years, but now we're at the stage where the economics and from a social and an environmental point of view, it makes sense to do it.
Sure, and you're the ones to do it.
Yeah, we've started. There are a number of other businesses on the continent who are starting to do it, and the wider industry is also starting to cotton on, which is great. If we can imagine a world where we might actually be using 20% of the country's electricity supply to power data centers, but we've got double bubble, if you like. We've used that energy again to then heat our houses or our offices, or use it for industrial processes, any number of other industries. So that's the key here. It's the circular nature of what we're doing, which is so important in the transition when electrons are scarce.